Hi, today I'm going to show you how to easily adjust your hidden compact hinge in your cabinet. Okay, so this hinge right here is a compact hinge and it's made by GRASS. And be sure, if this hinge is not the same as your hinge, don't worry, we have plenty of more videos where that came from. And just like most hinges out on the market, there are 3 points of an adjustment. We have one here, one inside there, and one right up here in the front. Let's start right here with this adjustment screw. When you turn this screw, it will bring the cabinet door towards the cabinet and away from the cabinet. And now the one right here in the middle is just a screw that you will loosen. And you have to do this to both of your hinges. And when you loosen it, you will be able to lift the cabinet door up or down to get it into the correct spot. And then tighten it when you're done. And finally, we have this front facing screw, and when you turn it in either direction, it will bring the door either left or right of the cabinet. And as always, if you have any specific questions for your cabinet door hinge, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to give it a whirl.